This is Mark Vent with a quick look at the new Dynamics AX working with Word. I work for a company called Sikich, which is a technology and accounting firm headquartered in Chicago with 14 regional offices around the nation. There is more about Sikich towards the end of our presentation today. Those of us who've been in the ERP business for years or have worked with ERP software could tell stories about proprietary and difficult to use report writers that we have experienced. So one of the benefits of the new Dynamics AX is the nice integration with Microsoft Word that we're going to talk through today. Here's an example of what that integration between Dynamics AX and Microsoft Word looks like. I'm going to navigate to my sales order processing and inquiry workspace. Let's look at our unconfirmed sales orders, and let's navigate to sales order 777. This is a two-line sales order. I'm going to go to my Open in Office icon and export to Word using a template that I created. I'll go ahead and download that, and let's just open it to look at it. It is that simple. I created a template in Word and associated that with my Dynamics AX environment, and now I have the ability to print a nice looking document in a personal productivity tool that I'm comfortable with. I could now email this from my desktop or make other changes to it as I might need. We are going to walk through 3 steps in the setup of this capability. First, we're going to download the add-in or the catalog for Word 2016, and there are 2 places to get that, so we'll talk about each of those. Next, we're going to generate a Word template within Microsoft Word. Third, we will upload to Dynamics AX that template so that it will be available from the AX menus. There are 2 things to know about the Microsoft Dynamics Office add-in, and that is that it works only with the Dynamics AX OData services, and beginning with the R2W release of the new Dynamics AX, Office 2016 is required. From Office 2016, there are 2 ways to get the add-in. One is to go to the Insert menu, My Add-ins, click on the Store, and then do a search for Dynamics, and you will find the Dynamics Office add-in, and click Add. Another option is to go to Other Add-ins, Trust Center Settings, Trusted Add-in Catalogs, and here you would insert the URL for your Dynamics AX environment, which includes the protocol and host name. As you see here, everything up through dynamics.com, and then add that catalog and answer OK. Either way works, and when you're done, you have the add-in loaded into Word 2016. Now, if you've worked with Word templates before, you know there's some pretty nice features there, and this is an example of a template where I've added in some information already. But to show you how that is done briefly, you go to your add-ins, and since you've already downloaded your add-in for Microsoft Dynamics, you click on that. It brings up this add-in screen on the side. If you have credentials problems, just sign in again to your environment through the add-in. The next step is to identify the tables that you're going to use. So in this case, I added my sales order header first and pulled in some address information at the top of my template. Then using the Add Related Tables link over here, I also linked in my sales order line table, and all those joins were already done for me. All I had to do is define, select the table, and then I could begin adding fields from that table as well. To illustrate the process I went through to generate all of these fields onto my template, let's add one additional field for an example. I'm going to go right over here to my template. Let's add a little space there and add another field from our sales order header. So I'm going to click on the Edit button here, and let's scroll down until we see the Customer Requisition field. I select that. Now I can add both a label and a value, so let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. I'm going to say Add Label, and then add a few spaces and add the value. That is the process that I went through to add all the other field data to my template, where I'm pulling from the Dynamics AX tables for customer sales order header and sales order lines. When I'm done, I'm just going to click Done here, Done again, and then I can save my template, give it a name, and save it to my folders here locally. And our next step will be to upload that template into Dynamics AX. Loading a document into Dynamics AX is relatively straightforward. You're going to go to your Common menu. Under Common, Office Integration, Document Templates. We're going to add a new template into our library, so we'll click on New. The next thing we want to do is browse to our local workstation and select and upload that template. Now that I have it here, I can answer OK, and it's now in my library. If I'll scroll down here to the bottom, you'll see that. There are some additional filters that could be applied to make this document effective only for certain countries, companies, or business entities. But that document is now uploaded into AX and would be available from my template menu. Let's just confirm that is true. If I go to Sales Order Processing and grab a sales order and then go to my Open in Office, we would see my new template right there. That concludes our overview of working with Word in the new Dynamics AX. One of the reasons AX is such a popular system is that integration between personal productivity tools like Office 2016 and enterprise productivity tools like the new Dynamics AX. Again, I work for a company called Sikich, which is a professional technology and services firm located in Chicago with 14 regional offices throughout the U.S. Besides being a good place to work and a great regional accounting firm, Sikich is a Microsoft Gold Certified Partner, member of the President's Club and Inner Circle, and in the top 1% of all technology solution providers in the world. If you have any other questions about Sikich or about this topic, feel free to email me at mark.vent@sikich.com. Thank you and have a great day.
If you found this information helpful, here's a few other videos you might enjoy. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more information.